Hello friends, how are you all? Hopefully you all are very well. Welcome back to my new video. Today's content is how to customize Shopee store header. Okay, so let's quickly start our video. First, you all need to open your Shopee. Okay, after opening, you will see an option called online store. So you need to click on this. After doing this, look a little below and you'll find the header option. You need to click on this header. Look here, it says desktop logo position. You can choose the position for your logo on the desktop as you wish. You can place it here on the left, top center, middle left, or middle center. It's your choice where you place it. Also, you can select the menu here. You can replace or edit the main menu. Alright, like you can edit the menu. You can edit the menu here as you wish. I've arranged it as a drop down. Alright, so you might have a question in your mind about how to select people. Okay, I am showing you the position. You can provide a logo as you wish. See, you can also provide the logo size here. Look, you can also select the favicon image. You can also select the width of the extended logo as you like. After scrolling down a bit, you will see many options here. You can select them as you wish. So here in the header at the section, people, you can search whatever you wish and use it here as you go. Alright, so brothers, if you are liking our video, please like, subscribe and share this channel.